everyone. This is the mid-module assessment task. I will just be reading the words on the assessment task. So number 1 says compare using greater than, less than, or equal to. A has no words, so pause and compare. B says 2/1000ths plus 4/100ths. Pause to compare with the other side. C says 2/10s, 3/10ths, and 1/1000th. Pause to compare. D says 24/10ths. Pause to compare with the other side. E and F have no words for me to read. Question 2 says model the number 8.88 on the place value chart. And you could draw that right here. A, use words, numbers, and your model to explain why each of the digits has a different value. Be sure to use the terms 10 times as large and 1/10 as large in your explanation. Pause to complete. On the second page, B says multiply 8.88 times 10 to the power of 4. Explain the shift of the digits and the change in the value of each digit. C says divide the product from B by 10 to the power of 2. Explain the shift of the digits and the change in the value of each digit. So when they say the product from B, when you multiply this number here, whatever that answer was, that's the number you're using in C. Use the product and divide by 10 to the power of 2. Pause to complete. Question 3 says rainfall collected in a rain gauge was found to be 2.3 centimeters when rounded to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. Circle all the measurements below that could be the actual measurement of the rainfall. So these numbers here, which one would be rounded to 2.3 centimeters? Pause to complete. B says convert the rounded measurement to meters. Write an equation to show your work. So this one here, the rounded measurement, what would this be to the nearest meter? On the next page, question 4. Average annual rainfall totals for cities in New York are listed below. In Rochester, it is 0.97 meters. In Ithaca, it's 0.947 meters. Saratoga Springs, 1.5 meters. And New York City, 1.268 meters. Question A, put the rainfall measurements in order from least to greatest. Write the smallest total rainfall in word form and expanded form. So you don't have to do it for all of them. You're going to list all of them from least to greatest, but then the smallest one, right, in word form. All right, B, round each of the rainfall totals to the nearest tenth. Round these numbers here to the nearest tenth. C, imagine New York City's rainfall is the same every year. How much rain would fall in 100 years? D, write an equation using an exponent that would express the 100-year total rainfall. Explain how the digits have shifted position and why. All right, that's the end. Make sure to take your time, do your best work, all right? Bye.